This is Tiara, and this is my English to speaking third assignment about my future life. I have a dream to become a makeup artist. I love doing makeup on my face and on other people's faces. I have a plan to be a makeup artist not only after I have graduated in college, but while I'm still a college student too. I want to be a makeup artist is also because I will work as a freelancer. It will let me manage my time and I will become my own boss. Becoming a makeup artist will also take me into another realm of work, namely makeup influencer. Working as a makeup influencer is very profitable. Why so? Because I can be paid while I'm reviewing things that I am being endorsed to. I want a job that I enjoy doing, and I will also have a stable income from it. I will save my money so I will be able to use it for my future needs. That's all for my third assignment. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.